My predicament now is
es pasaste y no me digas.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 12 p.m. and ending at 1 p.m. Test message EPAUSE open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ50. This is a test of the National Weather Service Hazardous Weather Warning System. You can hear warnings direct from the National Weather Service over the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard System. Tests of this warning system on NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards are made each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a possibility of severe weather, the test will be delayed until the next good weather day. The NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard System is equipped with a warning service called SAME. This is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. SAME allows people with special receivers to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, radio, and television stations. This has been a test. At the end of this test, regular programming will resume.
Iranian media says 3 men and a woman were executed Friday. Several others sent
during a special session earlier this month would protect the GOP's prominence in the state House delegation by creating a new majority-black district in West Metro Atlanta. After the ruling was passed, several work in Congress was not finished, especially pertaining to drug control in honor of her son Gordon, who was murdered. Somewhere there's a river rushing through the woods.
Industry experts to award-winning writers and columnists, please